This Select Realty property video is presented by Deana Dixon. Cute family home located outside of Mena. Located on the west end of Goat Brown Springs Road, which has access to Wolf Pen Gap Trails, Shady Mountain and the National Forest. New metal roof in 2021. New, well insulated, she shed/workshop. 8x12 storage shed, a 10x12 lean-to for lawnmowers, and a 16x24 pole barn. Both bathrooms were updated in 2020 and fresh paint in the kitchen. Single car carport and RV/camper cover. Located in a quiet neighborhood. Back roads, creeks and trails for ATVs just down the road. For more information, review the details below.